Hello viewers, I'm Wasim Raza for Global TV. A referendum for an independent Sikh homeland Khalistan started in London today, 31st October 2021. The announcement was made by the Punjab Referendum Commission, which was appointed by the US-based Khalistan group SFJ 6-4 Justice. The referendum will then take place in the other countries, including the US, Canada, Australia, and the region of Punjab. Commission Chairman Mr. Dane Moore, based at the University of Southern California, clarified that the Commission's role is to help the Sikhs for Justice to conduct a referendum that is as consistent with the international norms as possible. After several postponements, the Punjab Referendum Commission has announced to hold the Punjab independence referendum on October 31st, 2021. The commission has been appointed by the US-based Khalistan separatist group 6-4 Justice. The commission consists of non-aligned direct democracy experts who are to organize and hold a referendum on whether the Punjab should be independent. India fought tooth and nail to forestall the intended referendum. It sent a dossier to the British government blaming Pakistan and Paramjit Singh Parma, an ordinary criminal, for sponsoring the event. The UK rejected the request. Thousands of Sikhs from across the United Kingdom took part in the referendum for an independent Sikh homeland Khalistan at the Queen Elizabeth Centre near the British Parliament on October 31st, 2021, the day on which Indian Premier Indira Gandhi was assassinated in 1984 for ordering the Operation Blue Star to curb the Sikh movement. To learn more about the issue, subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us. Till then, bye-bye.